Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I want to show you how to fix a foil balloon inside a bobo balloon if the foil balloon doesn't have a valve. I pre-inflate a bobo balloon. I use a bobo balloon with a diameter of 23 centimeters. Then I placed a foil balloon inside the bobo balloon. Then I inflate the bobo balloon again and align the foil balloon inside the bobo balloon. I prepared in advance a hand pump, a piece of balloon for modeling, and a glue gun. Inflate bobo balloon, making sure there's enough space inside. Inflate a foil balloon. Roll the foil balloon neck and tie it with a piece of modeling balloon. Then I pour the glue into the neck of the foil balloon and squeeze it tightly. One adds some confetti. Finally, I inflate the bobo balloon to its full size, twist it, and tie it with a modeling balloon. Stretch the neck of the bobo balloon and tie a knot so that the air does not escape. I'm using an insulator to treat for 5-inch balloons. I inflate each balloon by 4 pumps and make the cluster. Then I glue the tape to the box lid and secure the bunch. Then attach the bobo balloon to the cluster. You can put small gifts in the box. In addition, you can add any decor that you like. Everything is ready. Thank you for watching us.